All right, today let's optimize cost using Azure Advisor. So in the search, I'll write advisor. So once we search advisor, the icon is this one, advisor. We'll open advisor. So now in the overview, if we look, so Azure Advisor suggests many things apart from cost. But in this tutorial, we are concerned about cost. We'll focus on the cost pillar. How do we do it? I'll go to the recommendations here. If I open recommendations, I'll get cost. I'll click on cost. So here, if anything wrong or any suggestion, advisor will suggest us. If it is blank, you are all set. There is no actions as of now. But in real life scenarios, you'll be getting, if your company project is too high, too big, where many resources or many storage accounts, those kind of things, virtual machines are there, you'll definitely get the Azure Advisor recommendation related to cost or any other thing. So just a brush up. So Azure Advisor can reduce unnecessary spending in the cost if we look. And Advisor covers multiple categories like cost, security, reliability, operational excellence, performance. So all are green. It means no action for us. We are all set because we are following the best practices. If you look, you are following all of our cost recommendations it's mentioned. So we are all set. So that's what it goes for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.